Question 34. Do you use affirmations and denials? Answer. Let us leave these symbols. Let me say it again. Let us leave these schools of thought that use affirmations and denials. The best affirmation and the only effective one is an assumption which in itself implies denial of the former state. The best denial is total indifference. Things wither and die through indifference. They are kept alive through attention. You do not deny a thing by saying it does not exist. Rather, you put feeling into it by recognizing it. And what you recognize as true is true to you, be it good, bad, or indifferent.